Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Chrome browser on your Windows 11 PC and install it. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. So normally to do that, open your web browser first. Here I'm gonna open my Microsoft Edge browser here to download the Google Chrome. And here you have to search Google Chrome download. And now you will see an option here. Click on this download button. And now click on this download Chrome button. And it is going to download the Google Chrome file on your PC. Normally open the file. Give the permission by pressing yes. And then the file is going to be downloaded on your PC. So here you can see that the download process is completed and it is installing Google Chrome on your PC. So here is your Google Chrome. So normally I'm gonna open it. Clicking on this don't sign in button, escape. Got it. And that's it. Here is your Google Chrome browser. And that's all about today's video, how you can download Google Chrome browser on your PC and install it and use it smoothly. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.